Welcome to Intelligere. In this guide, we'll walk you through how to manage documents and sub-users using the Docu Vault module. Step 1. Click on the Docu Vault module from your dashboard. Step 2. To create a sub-user for your company, click on the 3-line menu at the top left corner and select Create Sub-User. Step 3. Click on the Add User button. Step 4. Select Add Single User, choose your company, and fill in all the required fields. Step 5. Click the Add User button to complete the process. Your user is now created. Step 6. To add multiple users across different companies, upload an Excel file in the correct format. Step 7. To upload a document, go back to the Docu Vault module and click on View Document. Step 8. Click Upload, choose your file from your system, and hit the Upload button again. Step 9. Once uploaded, you can download or delete documents as needed. And that's it. You've now learned how to manage sub-users and documents in the Docu Vault module of Intelligere. Managing documents and users just got easier with Docu Vault. Create single or multiple users, upload files securely, and manage access, all from one central place. Whether it's setting permissions or sharing documents, Docu Vault keeps everything organized and efficient. Start streamlining your document workflow today. Need help? Our friendly support team is just a message away. Call or email us using the details on screen. And don't forget to book your demo today. Future of Accounting, Intelligere.